Alright guys, today I'm playing Minecraft, but there's a tip. It's not just regular Minecraft. I have craftable houses, as you can see. Let me go to my inventory and get them. I have supercars. I have craftable houses, supercars, and furniture. Let's get out number 3. How about that? Let's go over here. Place it down. Punch. What? There we go. What is number 3 gonna look like? I don't really like the color. I should change it. So, I want green. Green. Green, come on, hurry up. Yeah, green. So I think I like that, so I'll press check mark. This is gonna be my house for the video. So, also, you wanna see something? Come here, give me some electric and some gas. Which one? What's a Lamborghini? What's a Lamborghini? Where's a Lamborghini? Tesla, Cybertruck, whatever. I can't understand it. Green Cybertruck. Let's try that. Is it? Ooh, maybe. Oh, come on. There we go. Let's ride this baby. Whee! I can just kill people with it. How about we take a look inside my house? Why is there... Anyway, I don't care. Let's go inside my house. I actually haven't looked in here either because I just made... So this should be the garage? Yeah, this is the garage. I should store my car. Come here, car. Oh no, I didn't mean to hit you. Wee. Wait, I thought this was a Cybertruck. It said it was. So let's go inside my house. Wow, this house is really nice. This is the front door. Why did I just come here in the first place? Anyway. I also have... Dun 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 dun. Furniture. Oh, I didn't know why I took out the grandfather clock. I just wanted it. There you go. Let's see. What should I make? What should I make? What should I make? What should I make? What are these red houses? I've never seen those before. Let's try number 4. Over here. Why do I keep doing that? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? This is like a China one. What? This is so cool. Legit. And one second, guys. I gotta go and get something. It's gonna be cool. I'll see you back in like, I don't know.
5 minutes later.
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I just had to go by. I just had to talk for a little bit. Anyway, we're back. Let's see. Ooh. So my dad sometimes joins me, and I'm gonna set up a trap for him. Diamonds is the lure. So I just gotta get some diamonds. Where's the diamonds? Diamonds. My friend. Give me diamonds. Give me diamonds. Diamond! And then I'll just go over here. Make this trap. I'm sure you guys have seen this trap before. It's a really good one. Once I was just playing Minecraft with my brother a few minutes ago before I started, and I got him with this trap in survival mode. I tricked him. It was on everybody's server, and he fell for it. He was like, "Ooh, free diamonds." He didn't know the trick because he's kind of a noob. No offense, but yeah, I tricked him. Yeah. I'm sure you can see, you see how it's going. You see me. You see me. Yeah. The pufferfish trap. What? I think that's enough. Didn't mean to. Sorry, pufferfish. That's enough. Oh yeah, I'm just saying, it's been a while since I've been here, so make sure to click the like button to see me do another video. This is the boring part, building. I know I said that last time, but it really is. Last time I used the How to Train Your Dragon add-on in the last video. And if you want to see me use that add-on again, then make sure to subscribe. Click that like button. And make that red button gray. Start. Fish. Let's just make a new one. Maybe we should sneak so I don't really hurt them. Good. No! You know what? That's enough. There we go. And done. So now time to throw the diamonds in. Adios, diamonds. They'll get the diamonds, but if they're in keep inventory, then that's bad. So what you do is they see the diamonds. Oh, they go inside. They collect the diamonds, but you know how pufferfish poison you? Is that a bone? Yeah, thanks. You know how pufferfish poison you? You go inside, get the diamonds, walk out, but they let you walk inside. But what if you're in survival mode and you take damage from walking out? You get poisoned from pufferfish and then you die. So yeah, it's a pretty good trap. Now time to, well, did it break my, I didn't even realize that. I'm so upset. You two, adios. 5. I'm just traveling for, you know what? The faster way to travel. Elytra. Fireworks. Fireworks. Adios. All right. There's one more thing I want to do, and that is peekaboo. All right, so I'm gonna need this. Actually, I won't need that, actually. I'm gonna need an armor stand. I'm gonna need, what head do you want? If it was me, I would probably say my brother's head, because he doesn't have any skins anyway. Oh yeah, if you want, who wants to see my skin? 3, 2, 1. I'm rainbow pressed in place. Anyway, so what you do is you dig down about like a few blocks down. 1, 2, maybe 3. All right, then you put down a piston. It's really funny after you see this. Put down a piston. Sticky piston, actually. Then you place down this. Then you put down. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. How do you? Okay, there we go. Then you're like, oh, whatever. There we go. Now we just gotta. Then you cover it up with, wait, how do you cover up things like that? How do you cover it up? I forget. Anyway, we don't have to. Then, I don't even want that actually. Then you connect. Get away, Pigsley. And then you cover that stuff up with like a wooden plank, I don't know. And then you wire it up, all up with some redstone. Where's the redstone? Where's the redstone? There we go. And you just flick this lever. Hey, he's dancing. And if you want to add a little bit more, you can just give him some armor. Like, I don't know. Like, since I got that stuff. Since I got the, that add-on on Craftable Houses, now I can get, like, the cool... How about a hard head? No, I don't want him to have a hard head. You can just put on some, like, a safety vest. For, like, and then you're like, go down. Go up. Go down. Go up. Go down. Go up. Oh yeah, one last thing I want to show you. Chests. Ba-dum. Da-dum. Ba-dum. 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 Actually, I forget how to do it. Well, that's the end of this video. But if you want to see another video, hit that like button and subscribe. Bye!